Hey guys, here we are, 27th day of April 2024. We're going to walk across railroad bridge here, the old Mighty Mo. I've seen this one many times. I saw a big train there yesterday, big long ass train coming their main yard over here, whipping across here. So let's walk across the old Mighty Mo. Looks like you can, there's a little path you can kind of walk along here too as well. So you can walk along there and go over there. That's kind of cool over there. Walk over there. We're gonna walk when we get back, but walk across here, give it a good look. You can see all the boats down here, so that's kind of cool. All this rail stuff here. I don't know why they have all these different stuff here, so it's kind of cool. That's the Roberts Bridge. It's a Wabasha Bridge over there. Kind of cool. That way you don't walk across here, you don't kill yourself. So we'll walk all the way over there. See how that looks over there. The one across the old Mighty Mo is downtown St. Paul. Mighty Mo is down, way down. That's kind of cool over there. I'll walk over there and see what that looks like over there. Yeah, it connects over there to the yard over there. There's some cool bridges. Oh, the thing is coming up, that bridge. It's moving up over there. See that bridge coming up over there? Going up. Something must be coming up, but I'll give you an idea of what we have here, right? See how it's going up? Kind of cool. Oh. Walk over by the park over here. I think kind of interesting. All this, they really do a good job at intertwining the river and St. Paul. Kind of can walk down there. People walk down, they go fishing down there. Yeah, a lot of trains come whipping by here on a regular basis. So we'll walk over there. I might go across Wabasha Bridge. We'll see if I got time. When we do it another time, kind of walk up both and down. Goes all the way. There's a nice trail up there, so. Kind of weird how they lift that thing up. Something might be coming through. That would have been very good if I would have been on there. That would have been a long ride up. walk over here at the park over here. Show all the docks down here. It's kind of a cool bridge. So it looks like it's kind of a nice little park back in here. Come on down here. Like I said, that's the Wabasha Bridge right over there. Probably have a wedding up here, probably. Bet they probably do. Yeah, that would have been very good. Lift that bad boy up. I don't know what this park is called, but it goes all the way over there. Yeah, you got all these docks down there, getting ready for the spring. So you can go up there too as well. Here comes, there goes a train right over there. You can kind of see he's cruising right along there. He's leaving the yard. Oh, cool area. Well, good concrete. You can walk on down there. Check out all that place down there. Yeah, it's a pretty cool area. So this is called the Dahlgreen Dock, Gate H. All right. Here at Island Regional Park. Raspberry Island, I guess. Oh, okay. Okay. Never know this really existed till you go across. So anyways, so we'll go across the next video over to Raspberry Park, shall we? All right.